Canada looks familiar to United States hams until you realize something important. No license classes stacked three deep, no endless upgrade ladder, and yet some of the best operators on the planet. Same continent, different philosophies. This is ham radio, Canadian style. Welcome back to Ham Radio Around the World, where we explore how amateur radio actually works outside the United States. Same hobby, different rules, different culture, and different call signs. I'm your host, Josh, A4WX, and today we're heading up north, to Canada. This series is sponsored by World Radio League because if you're making contacts across borders, you should actually be able to see them in your log. So I'm done with the Canada jokes. No more A's. We're not going to Tim Hortons or getting any maple syrup. Love my Canadian friends, though. In Canada, amateur radio is regulated by Innovation, Science, and Economic Development Canada, commonly called ISED. ISED manages spectrum nationally. And like Canada itself, the approach is calm, structured, and heavily rooted in trust. Canada has 3 certification levels, but they function very differently than the United States system. Basic with honors, and advanced. Here's the key. Basic with honors unlocks most HF privileges. That means a large number of Canadian hams are fully active on HF without multiple upgrades. Competence is rewarded early. Canadian amateur call signs typically begin with Victor Echo or Victor Alpha. Examples of this would be Victor Echo 3, Alpha Bravo Charlie, or Victor Alpha 2, X-Ray Yankee Zulu. What the call sign tells you, VE or VA, means Canada. The number is provincial or your region, and the suffix is your operator identifier. Examples by region include Victor Echo 3 is Ontario, Victor Echo 2 is Quebec, Victor Echo 6, Alberta, Victor Echo 7 is British Columbia. Like Germany and France, call signs don't advertise license class. Your operating tells that story instead. Canadian power limits are comparable to the United States, but culturally, less power is often used. Why? Because Canada has massive geography, quieter RF environments, strong HF tradition. Efficiency beats brute force, especially for DX. Canadian ham radio culture is often described as polite, technically competent, DX-oriented, and contest-capable. You'll hear clean signals, efficient exchanges, strong participation in global events, less drama, more operating. Canadian stations are globally active, especially on HF and in contest. When you're working VE stations, logging accuracy matters. That's where World Radio League fits naturally. World Radio League is a logging and analytics platform that helps you track QSOs by country and region, visualize your international reach, analyze your operating habits, and compare activity globally. If you're working Canada regularly, your log tells a story. World Radio League helps you see it. Don't forget to check out worldradioleague.com, and if you use coupon code HamShackTV, you get 10% off their paid tier memberships. Don't let that deter you, though. They do have a free option available. All you need to do is go sign up, and you're good to go. You're signed up there. But there are some great features in the paid tier. If you use coupon code HamShackTV at checkout, you're going to get 10% off those already great membership prices. For United States operators, Canada is quietly surprising. HF access comes earlier. Call signs don't flex status. Operating is cleaner. Culture is calmer. Skill shows through activity. Canada proves something important. Freedom works best when paired with responsibility. If you're watching this series and it has you thinking about, hey, I might want to get my ham radio license, or maybe upgrade my license, or finally get an understanding of HF, Ham Radio Prep makes it straightforward. Go to hamradioprep.com. You'll get 10% off with my coupon code HamShackTV at checkout. They have technician through extra. They only work in the United States, so if any of you Canadian folks are watching, they do have some other classes, HF Master Class and things like that. They give you real operating knowledge, but here in the United States, we focus on the tech, general, and extra. And they offer a money-back guarantee if you fail your exam. You'll need to see the website for details. That's hamradioprep.com, because understanding the rules is how you earn the freedom. Canada reminds us that amateur radio doesn't need chaos to thrive. Sometimes quiet competence. When you log your contacts and actually analyze your operating with tools like World Radio League, those show you why. Next up in the series, we will be heading to Italy. Mamma mia! I'm excited about that one. If you're watching from Canada, folks, please get in the comments. Leave your call sign. Let me know that you're watching from Canada. And if I messed something up, let me know. Happy to do a correction. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack, A73, AA4WX, WSCB 693.